Did you know that 5G networks process data up to 100 times faster than 4G? Yet many engineers still lack the specialized knowledge to fully utilize this potential. Organizations today face critical challenges when their technical teams don't understand the intricacies of 5G NR physical layer operations. This knowledge gap leads to suboptimal network deployments, inefficient resource allocation, and missed opportunities to leverage advanced features. Companies risk falling behind competitors who have mastered these technologies, potentially losing market share and revenue. For engineers and technical professionals, this knowledge gap creates frustration and career stagnation. Without understanding core concepts like OFDM waveforms, channel coding, and MIMO techniques in the 5G context, professionals struggle to solve complex problems, implement innovations, or contribute meaningfully to next-generation wireless projects. This comprehensive training bridges these gaps by providing both theoretical knowledge and practical simulation experience. Participants gain hands-on experience with industry-standard tools to model, simulate, and analyze 5G NR physical layer components. The course breaks down complex concepts into understandable modules and emphasizes practical applications through guided simulations. Organizations that invest in this training see immediate improvements in deployment efficiency, optimization capabilities, and innovation potential. Technical teams develop the confidence to implement advanced features, troubleshoot complex issues, and make data-driven decisions that maximize network performance. On a personal level, participants develop highly valued expertise that opens new career opportunities and positions them as technical leaders. Teams communicate more effectively about physical layer challenges and collaborate to implement cutting-edge solutions. Don't let knowledge gaps limit your organization's ability to harness the full potential of 5G technology. Equip your team with the skills they need to drive innovation and excellence in wireless communications. Enroll today and transform your approach to 5G NR physical layer implementation.